This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Deepal S05. It's possibly Norway's cheapest all-wheel drive, and it has a 69 kilowatt hour just like in the Mazda 6e. So we need to find out how much space do we have here when you buy such an affordable all-wheel drive. Perfect for Norwegian winter, right? Okay, this car actually has a quite big frunk, so we have to check out how many banana boxes can fit in there. Wow, it's freaking huge! Let's see. What, can you fit two? That would be simply amazing. Oh, we could almost fit two. Okay, try to cheat, but wait, okay, no, okay, but at least one, all right, one. Can we just kind of squeeze it in there? Oh yeah! Wow, it has a nice ass. But I cleaned the car yesterday and I forgot one spot here because it was wet. I didn't see it. So comment if you've done the same when you wash your car and like, oh shit, I forgot a spot. Okay, whatever. So here we have, well, an okay sized trunk. Wow, is that kind of slow opening? Okay. Subwoofer is over there. We have light there, 12 watt outlet here. Not in the front, unfortunately. Wait, what is this? We have some hooks here for securing cargo, but apparently only in the front. Oh, sorry, only in the back, not in the front. Yeah, what is that? No, I think that's for, is that for child seat? I think so. But there's a hook here for, okay, whatever. But under here, we only have this. So the antagerkupplung is here with some other stuff, the compressor. I mean, we could take out this foam, but I can already see we can't fit the banana box here. So can I take out this at least? Or it's also kind of fixed to the... No, okay, we can take out this. All right. At least that helps slightly. Okay, round one in the trunk. How many boxes? Well, let's see. One. Wait, how do I do this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, actually not too bad. But the better ones, they can take 8 or even 10, some of the bigger, but they're kind of cheating with, you know, reclining the seat a little bit forward. Here, the seat is in a fixed position. You see, the back seat in the S05 is different than some other cars, because when you fold it, it becomes like this. Huh? What? Really? It's not even remotely flat, right? Well, it has a little trick up its sleeve, because you can do this. You pull this tab here, move the seat away, and then you fold it to be completely flat. So we need to test then. Which method yields the most space for bananas? Because when you have it up in this position, you're able to fill up some stuff in the footwell here that you give up when you fold it up. Okay, let's go for this method first. Okay, round one, it becomes kind of strange because you have that angle. So, not sure I can show you, but yeah, all the boxes are then angle, so you don't kind of align with the roof. So, well, let's see if this is good then.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20, 21, 22 only. Well, or... Okay, let's try again then with the other config. Okay, this time it seems like I'm able to stack it better because the boxes more aligns with the rest of the car. Here though, I didn't manage to use the space up there, so I might be missing 1 or 2 boxes, but it's hard to pull off because of the shape of the car versus the shape of the boxes. All right, for a second time, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20, 21. So at 21, we had to take the best result, which is 22 with the other seat configuration, plus 1 in the front, so that means 23. So, okay, it's not the most spacious car. It has this little sloping back end here, so, well, yeah. But, okay, at least you get an overdrive with okay space. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.